Hey there, welcome to AP Environmental Science. So I'm just going to go over the summer work a little bit. I'll be posting videos over the summer to help you. If you need specific help, go ahead and email me. I will post a remind later over summer. I'm taking a little bit of a break for now. So you're going to see the two different versions of the summer assignment. You can either type directly into the Google Doc, or you can print the PDF, type in the PDF, whichever version you prefer to work with. That being said, when you're working on the math portion, especially where you need to show your work, go ahead and handwrite your answers on a piece of paper, take a picture, and either copy and paste that picture into the Google Doc, or you can add it as an attachment in Google Classroom. That way I can look at your math, let you know if you have any errors, mistakes, anything you need to fix, or if it looks good. The other place you can access the assignment is on the school website. So you're just going to click on the hyperlink, and then you're going to see the PDF version of the summer assignment. Notice I did put the AP test day. It's the last test next year, so you get a little bit of extra time to prepare for that AP exam. And then I gave you a checklist for your summer assignment. So the first section is mostly just getting set up. So some of you have already signed up for Google Classroom. So you get 5 points right there. I'm going to post the intro video. You're going to write your notes about that. And that's just kind of going over the course. You're going to email me. Just tell me a little bit about yourself. I know some of you from before, but we're always changing, learning new things. So you may have different perspectives now than when I had taught you before, or I might not know you yet. And then lastly, make sure you have a binder and dividers. That's just to help you keep organized. All your coursework, you're just going to stick in the binder. The dividers are to help you separate it by unit. So I'll be going over kind of what's expected for that in another video. Section 2, you're looking at your chemistry. Chemistry is going to be really important. Not necessarily like the deep nitty-gritty chemistry. You don't need to know a lot about electrons and bonding, covalent, ionic. You need to know your chemical formulas, their common names, not their proper chemical names necessarily, but you need to know what they are and how they cycle. You need to know that molecules are able to break apart and rearrange. For section 3, that's your math section. None of the math is super tricky in this course, but you need to make sure you are going step by step, showing everything clearly, canceling out your units so that you get the right answer. Luckily, last year, they allowed calculators. So that was the first year they've ever allowed calculators on this particular AP exam. So that just helps you not make mistakes, silly little mistakes, like if you drop a zero when you're dividing something. Section 4, you're looking at the legislation. So the legislation listed is only the ones that they're going to test you on. It's not the only important legislation by any means, but you need to be familiar with those laws, what they do, kind of why they came about. You don't necessarily need to memorize dates. And then your last section, you're going to summarize your articles. So it's 5 points per article. You need a copy of that article. It can be digital, and it has to have comments, some type of annotation. And then make sure you're ready to share your articles with others in the class. Even though all of this is due Friday, August 28th, I highly suggest that you start getting a lot of this done. We will be sharing those articles the first week back of school. Thank you.